Welcome back. In the last practice, we learned how to write a number in scientific notation. Today, we're going to write it from scientific notation to standard form. Your first practice is 3 6/10 times 10 to the third power. This is what we do. Copy down the first number you see. Come back here. This is the third power, which means we're going to go to the right side, 3 steps. Remember, positive exponent, go to the right side. 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. And we're going to erase what we don't need. This 3 is a little bit too far from it. I'm going to make them a little bit closer. And you can also write down like this. Okay? Remember, different countries use different ways. In the Asian countries, we don't put the comma here to separate. But Americans, we do 1, 2, 3, and put a comma here. All right? Now, next one. Let's look at next one. We have 2.22. It's 2 and 22 hundredths times 10 to the second power. Once again, copy down the first number. Come here, look at how many steps we need to go. We need to go 2 steps. Since this is a positive exponent, which means we need to go to right side, 2 steps. 1 step, 2 steps. And let's rewrite this number. We have 222. All right, let's look at our next practice. That is 2 and 544,000th th sound, okay? Times 10 to the 10th power. Ooh, we're going to walk 10 steps. To which side? You are right. 10 steps. Right side, okay? All right, copy down the first number. Ready to travel to the right side, 10 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Empty space, fill in zeros. And I'm going to erase what I don't need here and put the 2 closer to 5. All right. Remember, you can add your 1, 2, 3s. I remember the old days and teacher teach the elementary school students. We say 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. It was really cute and help children to remember that and have some fun in practice. All right, so we took care of all these positive exponents. Remember, positive go to right side. How many steps we go depend on what exponent you have. All right, let's look at our negative. Remember, negative, you're going to go to the left side. Same practice right here. I'm going to write down here. Copy down the first number. This time I'm going to copy down a little bit far from my arrow because I need a space to go to the left side. Negative 8 tells me I need to go to left side. 8 steps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you put down 8, you put a decimal point here, okay? And then you start to add your zeros. In front of decimal, you should have a 0. Don't forget that. 0. And start to add a 0 in this space. Now you see why I put this number far from this, my big arrow, because I know I'm going to go to the left side. I need the left side space. Okay? And the last question right down here, I'm going to start to work. Remember, I need a space, so I'm going to put my first number here. Okay, check if we copy down correctly. 5.3222, 3 2's here, times 10 to the negative 10th power, which means we need to go to which side? You are correct, left side. How many steps? 10 steps. Okay, we need to be patient, count the 10 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After you copy down 10 steps, here need to be a big decimal point. All right, I'm going to use color blue in front of decimal point. Don't forget your 0 and empty space. Patiently counting, patiently putting down the zeros that you need. Last step, we're going to erase everything we don't need. Okay? All right. That's how you write the numbers from the scientific notation to standard form. Happy learning.